Yo, what is good? So today we are solving Python principles, double letters. Excuse me. So the goal is to analyze a string and to check to see if it has two of the same letters in a row. So this does because it has L as the same letter in a row, while this doesn't have two identical letters in a row. So to define the function that takes one parameter, so it'll take one parameter that is a string, and you want to return true if it does have two identical letters and false otherwise. So let's follow the prompt. Define a function. So define a function that takes one parameter. So it's going to take a word. So how are we going to do this? So you could be thinking, oh, use the for loop for each letter in the word. But then we can't have access to the next word. Like there's no, we can iterate through each letter, but we can't check to see, we're not able to check to see if the next letter is the same letter this way. Wait, maybe there is a way? Wait, is there a way? Let me think. Is there a way? I don't think so. Okay, alright, anyways. So, the other way to do this is using the range. The range method for the entire length of the word. So what we did here is for the letters in the range, but this is only accessing the index, because when we use range, we're talking about range of the length of the indexes of the word. So for example, no is gonna, like L is gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3. So you might notice that the length of the word, the length, let's say for example it gives us this. The length of the word is 4, but remember that range, it doesn't count the last basically it doesn't go up all the way up to 4. It ends at 3. So this is how this works. And to solve this, we would type for each letter in the word, if that word equals to the next index of that word, return true. And we would have to -1 this, because what this we're gonna go out of range if we don't. So for example, when you iterate through the loop, and let's say let's say we end here, we end at O. So if word of 3, O, so this is O, equals word 3 plus 1, but we don't have a number 4 index. This will be out of range and it'll give us an error. So we just want to iterate excuse me, we just want to iterate all the way to the second to last word, so that we can stay within range and we can still check the last letter. To make that more clear, okay, let's say let's visualize this. So let's say we type enter, or we Yeah, we press enter, and then what it's gonna do, it's gonna go through the first. So the range is gonna go from 0 to 3, 0 to 2, sorry, instead of 0 to 3. So 0 is gonna compare to 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1, right? So n compared to O, and then O compared to n, and then n compared to O. So this is the second to last letter, so it's gonna stop there, and it's gonna stop iterating. That's it. And then if it doesn't fall, if that's not true, then just return false, and bam. Good job.